Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to make a list in a reverse order. So let's start. What I really mean by a reverse order is like here you see tables. There are some names given here. So reverse order not necessarily means in alphabetical order. Here you can see that the first name is Dumbledore and the last name is Hedwig. So the reverse order will mean that the first name in the new table will be Hedwig, second name will be Dobby, third will be Ginny, and so on in the reverse order until the last cell as Dumbledore. So let's begin. Here if you can see, if I sort this in if I try sorting this in some way like A to Z and expand the selection so that every other thing like organization, salary, etc. will be in the same row as the name. So I sort this. Now you see the change that it has sorted the table to A to Z format like B, D, G, H and so on. But we don't want this way. So let me go back to the way it was. So here there's a trick for doing this. So let's make a new column. You can name it anything. I will name it as rank and I'll give it rank 1, rank 2 and so on. I will drag this to this last one. Now in a very simple way, I will just sort this only and sort it in a ascending to descending format so that 19 is the first and 1 goes to the last. Let me show you. So I will sort from largest to smallest and I will expand the selection and sort this. And notice the difference. Here Hedwig is the last, Dobby is the second last, and Ginny is the third last. So when I sort this, it will be in a reverse order. Let's check it. Okay, as you can see, the first is Hedwig, second is Dobby, third is Ginny, and so on. Now we have created the table in a reverse format. Now we can delete this new column that we made. Just delete it. So here's your reverse order list. Thanks guys.